In this short video, we're going to show you how to sign in to TotalSync. If you have not installed TotalSync yet, we have another short video on TotalSync channel showing how to do it. Once you install TotalSync, the first screen you see offers you to sign in or sign up. Why do I need to log in? Unlike cloud providers, we do not store your data. Having an account allows your devices to find each other and sync data directly between your devices. Your account also acts as your license. If this is the first device that you are setting up with TotalSync, select the Sign Up option. If you are adding a second or subsequent device, select Sign In. You can sign up by using an email or your Apple, Google, or Facebook account. In this video, we're going to show you how to sign up using an email. Enter your email address, then enter a password that you want to use to sign in to TotalSync. Make sure it is not the same password that you use to check your email. You can just make up a password here, as long as it is something that is easy for you to remember and difficult for others to guess. Check the I agree to terms of service checkbox, then select the Create Account button. TotalSync will send an email with an activation link to the email address that you provided. Open your email and click on the activation link to activate your account. After you activate your account, select Continue. The last step is to pick a name and an image for this device. I'm going to select My Laptop as the name and a laptop picture. This name and image will help you distinguish this device from your other devices within TotalSync. Select Save. Congratulations! Your TotalSync is now set up and ready to use.